We will now talk about addition with place value in base 10 blocks. Base 10 can be used in addition also. This is somewhat shown in place value through expanded form, but this is where I will separate addition into regrouping and problems that do not need regrouping. I will show several examples. Okay, say I gave the children 5 plus 10 and asked them, how do you get that using manipulatives? Okay, the students would know that 10 is 1 log. But for 5, they'll have to take 5 units. Okay, so then they can easily count 10, and then they can go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer would be 15. Let's try again. Let's say I give them a little bit harder. 100 plus 15. And this time I say use manipulatives and a hundreds chart. So we have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. So for 100, we will have our 100. Let's zoom out a little bit. We'll have 100. And then we won't have anything in the tens or the ones. So this is our 100. Oh, okay. Now for our 15, we know that we'll have 1 in the tens place plus 5 units in the ones. Okay, so let's bring our line down a little bit if we can. Okay, so now this equals our 15. So now we can show that we have, in here we have 100 plus 10 plus 5, which will give us 115. This is a simple way for younger elementary students to be able to grasp addition with visuals. We will now move to subtraction. Teaching subtraction with base 10 blocks can also be helpful. For example, sometimes it is hard to imagine taking away 20 from 44. So our problem would be 44 minus 20 equals what? Okay, so for this we're going to draw another hundreds chart. So we have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. So for 44, nothing's going to be in the hundreds place, but we're going to have 4 longs in our tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to have 4 units in our ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we're having to take away 2, we're going to have to take away 20. Sorry, not 2. We know that 20 is the same as 2 longs. So all we have to do is we're going to select this long and we're going to throw it away. We're going to select this long and we're going to throw it away. So we've taken away 20 units or 2 longs. What we are left with is now the answer. So this is the answer. We have 2 longs, which would be 20, plus 4 units, which will be 24. So our answer will be 24. Let's do one more subtraction. Let's do 15 minus 3 equals what? So we're going to put our larger number down, so hundreds, tens, ones. 15 has nothing in the hundreds, but it does have 1 in the tens and 5 in the ones. Uh-oh. Okay, let me readjust. So, now we have to take away 3 units because 3 has nothing in the hundreds or the tens place. So we're going to select this unit and throw it away. Select the second unit, throw it away. And this will be our third unit. So we have taken away our 3. So now we're left with 15 minus the 3 that we took away. So we still have our long left, which equals 10. And we have our 2 units left, and that equals 12. So we have 12 as our answer.